Hi, I'm Dr. George Sanders. Lower eyelid surgery is a very popular procedure. People have puffiness in the lower lids that makes them look tired, and they want to get rid of that. They will get up in the morning and look at themselves and say, I slept well, but I still look tired. Well, that can be taken care of by a lower eyelid lift. We make an incision on the inside of the lower lid, take away the extra fat. If there's a groove, we'll slide a little bit of fat into that area. We then come to the outer skin and we will laser that frequently so that tightens up the crinkles. So you're left with less puffiness, smoother skin, and frequently less in the way of dark circles. People love it. We'd love to share more with you. If you'd like to give us a call, Dr. George Sanders.